It finally happened. Bitcoin finally fell below the $22,000 support line early in the hours of trading overseas as news came out that U.S. crypto bank Silvergate was going to be liquidating. Now, this is a voluntary liquidation, but it really just confirmed the fears that a lot of people had, that there was still, some fallout to be had from FTX. Now, here's the thing, okay? This doesn't necessarily mean that Bitcoin is going to continue to push lower, right? Right now, there is a stalemate in the crypto market. In fact, if we look at the Bitcoin chart, after we dropped from the news of Silvergate in the first place, Bitcoin found a floor. It held that floor until this news today of Silvergate officially liquidating. Now, it again has seemingly found some support. The bulls and the bears are in a stalemate right now. Neither wants to cede control to the other one. And this really brings up, what important things are happening in the marketplace to really bring us to this point. Obviously, the bear market has been going on for quite some time, a year and 4 months now, which brings us closer and closer to the conclusion of that. The market is starting to realize that the prices are not as cheap as what they once were. And people have found a sense of comfortability in accumulating at these times. At the same time, there are macro factors surrounding the market continuing to try to push it lower. Inflation, interest rates, war abroad. All these things do play a factor in the broader crypto market, and neither side has really wanted to give up control to this point. Now, when this will break, sorry, I can't speak right now. When this will break, nobody knows. The best guess is really anybody's. And as always, this is not financial advice. Me personally, I'm dollar cost averaging during these times. Okay, that's what I see these as, these huge opportunities, and that's what people can really take from this. This is another opportunity to really take advantage of some sideways trading. I'm not saying price isn't going to go lower because the macro factors surrounding crypto are heavy ones. The crypto market hasn't seen this kind of negativity surrounding the market before. As FUD from the SEC, the things I mentioned before, like inflation and interest rates and all these things, they're not going away anytime soon. But at the same time, this doesn't mean that the market will sit where it's at for the foreseeable future. So take this with a grain of salt, do your own research, but this is what's happening with Bitcoin today. Appreciate you guys as always. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely show your support below. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. That way you can stay updated anytime there's new content that goes live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.